Healthy breakfast tacos. Welcome to our Healthy Lifestyle channel. Here you will find different videos offering fun facts, tips and suggestions how to live a healthier and a happier life using natural methods and remedies. A taco is a traditional Mexican dish consisting of a small hand-sized corn or wheat tortilla topped with a filling. The tortilla is then folded around the filling and eaten by hand. A taco can be made with a variety of fillings, including beef, pork, chicken, seafood, vegetables, and cheese, allowing great versatility and variety. They are often garnished with various condiments, such as salsa, guacamole, or sour cream, and vegetables, such as lettuce, onion, tomatoes, and chiles. Tacos are a common form of Antojitos, or Mexican street food, which have spread around the world. Here are the ingredients. 1. 15 ounces canned black beans, completely drained and rinsed. 1 cup finely diced cremini mushrooms. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika. 1 teaspoon chili powder. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1 tablespoon olive oil, divided. 1 small red onion, finely diced. 1 red bell pepper, finely diced. Salt and pepper. 2 cups shredded cheddar or Mexican blend cheese. 8-12 small flour or corn tortillas. 9 eggs, lightly beaten. Here are the instructions. 1. Heat about 1-2 tablespoons of the olive oil in a large non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. 2. Add the onion, bell pepper, and mushroom, and cook for 5 to 7 minutes, until the vegetables are tender. Add the black beans, chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, and salt and pepper to taste. Cook just until heated through. 3. Transfer the black bean mixture to a bowl and wipe out the skillet or heat a second non-stick skillet over medium heat with the remaining 1-2 tablespoons of olive oil. 3. Transfer the black bean mixture to a bowl and wipe out the skillet or heat a second non-stick skillet over medium heat with the remaining 1-2 tablespoons of olive oil. 5. Divide the black bean mixture and scrambled eggs between tortillas and top with desired toppings. And there you have it. Enjoy the delicious healthy taco breakfast in the morning. Watch our other healthy lifestyle videos below and find out simple broccoli smoothie recipe for kids. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Visit our website healthylifestyle.com for more ideas. Also, we would like to invite you to join our online seminars to learn more about health and wellness. Choose your date in the description below. Until next time. And remember, a healthy life is a happy life.